Hi, grade 8. This is a math video for page 418, the bottom practice quiz number 2. I'm going to do problems similar to what you see there. I'm not going to do the problems that are there. Let's take a look at something like number 2. If I had y equals, and then I had 2, let's go with negative 2x minus 4. And somebody said to me, find the slope and find the y-intercept. Find the slope and find the y-intercept in those particular cases. Well, to find the slope, I grab this number right here. Slope is negative 2. The y-intercept is this number. But notice this isn't in slope-intercept form yet until I change this subtraction to adding a negative, and my y-intercept is negative 4 while my slope is negative 2. How about something like number 3? Something like number 3, where they've got, say, 2x plus 2y equals 10. First thing I notice is this is not in slope-intercept form. So I am going to subtract 2x from both sides because I want to get the y by itself. But guess what? The y is still not by itself. I've got to divide every term by that 2 because that'll give me my y by itself. So every term needs to be divided by 2. I get y equaling 5 minus x. But I still have one more problem. 5 minus x is not in slope-intercept form. So I'm going to change this subtraction to adding a negative x. And then I'm going to use the transitive property to flip everything around. And this is slope-intercept form. So now we're ready to write the slope. The slope in this case is negative 1 because I don't see a 1 there, but I know there's a negative 1x there. And my y-intercept in this case is a value of 5. Let's take a look at 4, 5, 6, and how to handle those. They give us a slope, and they give us a y-intercept, and they want us to write an equation. Well, it shouldn't really be that difficult, I don't think. Let's say somebody says that my slope is negative 3, and my y-intercept is a positive 4. I just simply take the slope formula, y equals mx plus b, and I would replace the m with the negative 3, and I'd replace the b with the positive 4. What if it was positive 3 on the slope and negative 4 on the y-intercept? Well, I've just changed some values a little bit. I would make this a positive 3, and I'd make this a negative 4. Done. Let's go down to 8, 9, and 10, where they want us to solve the system of equations by substitution. How about something like number 8, where they say that y equals, let's say, 2x plus 2, and let's also say that y has a value of 3. How would I solve that by substitution? Well, first of all, I know that my y value is 3 because they tell me so. So that's the first thing I would do. The second thing I would do is I would say to myself, well, since y is 3, why can't I put a 3 here where the y is? And why can't I solve for the x value? So I'm going to subtract 2 from both sides of the equation. 3 minus 2 is 1. 2x plus 2 minus 2 is 2x. And then I'm going to divide both sides of the equation by 2, and that gives me an x value of 1/2, or 0.5. That's the kind of thing we're doing today. Thank you. Bye.